Good evening, good evening. Can I start the cinema? Yes, friends. Can you please confirm audio and video both are clear? I hope new members everyone got the access, right? New members everyone, the people who registered, everyone got the access. Yes. If you didn't get the access, can you please contact our admin? So this is the number and named with Bhavani. Just yes, the people who didn't get the access, can you please contact so you have to get 3 video sets. Okay, 3 video sets you require to get. 3 courses will be added in your account. The first one, current batch videos. There is another batch is going on at 7:30 p.m. batch videos, and there is one course which is already completed, 170 videos. Okay, like 3 courses you have to get the access. Please cross check. Okay, if you didn't get the access, can you please let us know so that we will provide the access. Clear, right? Okay, next, how to access, how to download the material. If you are having any doubts, so just contact our admin person. She is going to take care. She will connect with your system and she will explain how to use. Clear, right? Can I start our cinema? Okay. Yeah. So the people who didn't get the access, can you please try to get the access, register as early as possible, and better to get the access. Okay. Now just wait for a minute. Very important concept I have to discuss today. Yes, exactly. Okay, sir, have you remembered, right, when this class is going to merge with the 7:30 batch after 10 days around, after 1 week around? Piyush. Hi friends, in the last session we had a discussion about data types concept we are discussing. I hope you people may aware data types concept we are discussing, right? Okay, so now the first data type whatever we covered, the first data type what we discussed is have you remembered, right? Okay, so is int type we discussed, float type we discussed, complex type we cover, bool type we discussed, and then SCR type we are discussing, right? So can you please confirm string? Sir, what is a string? Yes, respond. What is the string? String is nothing but what? A sequence of characters. A sequence of characters either within single quote or double quote. This type of thing is by default considered as a string concept. Okay, a sequence of characters. A sequence of characters. A sequence of characters either within single quote or double quote is by default considered as okay string. Best example, s is equal to okay Durga. Is it valid or not? Can I take instead of single quote double quote? Is it possible or not? Yes. Why not happily we can take, there is no problem at all. Okay, like s is equal to okay like triple quotes I'm going to take. Please confirm, is it acceptable or not? Yes friends, is it valid or not? Yes. In Python you can take either single quote or double quote or triple quotes also, but triple quote symbols we are going to use in some special case. Remember this a bit carefully, right? So triple quote symbol we are going to use in some special case. Okay, when we are going to use this concept is to define multi-line string literals, to define multi-line string literals, to use a single quote or double quote as a symbol in our string, or to define docstring. Docstring means documentation string. Sorry, this part we are going to use somewhere in the next session, so don't worry at all. Next, indexing concept. How you can access characters of the string by using index. Python provides support for both the positive index and negative index, like we discussed, right? Okay, like any doubt up to this? Can you please confirm? All these things we covered already. Any new member is there in this session? Can you please confirm? Any new member is there in this session? Yes, today is my first class. Like, if anyone there, if any person missed the last sessions, if any person missed the last sessions, okay, please take a bit very special care. Okay, this is the last class videos. 7 sessions already completed for you. Seven sessions already completed, right? Okay, happily
ఇక్కడ null ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇది while loop నుండి బయటికి వస్తుంది మరియు last node.
Okay, so this is okay. Now this is the URL what you people should aware. If any person missed the last sessions, the 7 sessions already available in the YouTube. Happily you can go through these videos. The people who missed the last sessions, whenever you have the time, happily you can go through that. Okay, sir, these are the seven sessions, right? Okay, now here the next we require to talk much about slice operator, right? Sir, what is a slice? What is the slice operator? If you want to get a slice of the string, slice means part of the string. If you want to get a slice of the string means part of the string. Slice of the string means part of the string, then we require to go for slice operator, right? Okay, well, sir, now so what is the syntax for that? The syntax is s of begin colon end. Remember this one, s of begin colon end returns substring from begin index to end minus 1 index. The people who are planning for certification, please take very special care. This is one area very important, sir. Compulsory you people should aware. Okay, now s of 3:6, if I can take like this, substring from 3rd index to 5th index. Like, any doubt about this? I respond. Is it clear for you people, right? This is syntax already we covered. S of begin colon end. Okay, now let me go for a small example. I'm trying to take, sir. S is equal to A B C D E F G H I J K. Okay, like K L M N O P, like this I'm trying to take, sir. So now here just observe, this is my string what we have, a to p is there. Okay, like sir, now what I'm trying to take is, let me take and let me define index also, because I'm going to use multiple times this part in our next few minutes. We require to talk much about that. That's why let me take okay, here just observe carefully about this, right? This is my string. This is the string what we have, sir. Sir, what is the content of this string is, yes, observe carefully, observe a bit carefully. Here a, okay, here c, d, e, f, g, h, I, okay, like j I'm taking k, l, okay, m, n, o, p. Okay, this is my string, sir. Okay, well, sir, now what is the positive index and what is the negative index for this string? You have to tell, friends. Okay, I hope you may aware, because the same the total slice operator I want to explain with this one, so that it will become very easy for you people, right? Okay, so g, h, I, okay, j, I, j, k, okay, l, m, n, o, p, m, n, okay, o, p is there, sir. Sir, do you know positive index is always from left to right, starts from 0. Okay, just observe that 0. Okay, here what I'm trying to take here is, okay, here just observe carefully, right? Now let me take let me take this one, here 0. Okay, now this one is 1. Okay, 2 I'm trying to take, next 3, okay, 3, next, and after that 4, next 5 I'm taking, next 6, okay, 6 I'm trying to take, okay, here just 6, and then 7, next 8, okay, just because let it may take some time, don't worry, sir, because I want to use multiple times. 10, okay, 11, next 12, okay, 12, next, and after that here 13, 14, 15, and then 15. Can you please confirm, is it valid, right? I respond 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is the index a positive index, right? But negative index is always from anyone can you please tell what is the negative index story, sir? Okay, negative index story, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, now -16, sorry, here just observe that -16, next, and after that this one is -15, next this one is -14, -14, d, -13, next this one is -12, okay, next -11, okay, now -10, okay, now here -9, just for typing sake I'm taking in reverse. Actually you have to take from right to left, believe me, sir. Okay, -8, next -7, okay, now -6 I'm trying to take, next -5, next -4, okay, -3, -2, -1, okay, -2, -1, okay, -1, okay, like sir, this is what we have. Okay, well, sir, actually negative index is always you have to consider from right to left, starts from -1, positive index we have to consider from left to right, starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, like -1, -2, -3 and so on, right? So in Python, so both positive index and negative index, both the things are possible. Any doubt about this? Please confirm. I respond. Are you in the position to understand, right? Now you can ask what is the slice? Slice means a part, substring, or a piece, like, sir, I want this substring, sir. I want this substring, yes, or I want this part, sir. I want this part, like if you want to get a substring from the given string, a piece of the string, if you want to get, then we require to go for slice operator. Okay, like now here just what is the syntax for slice operator, right? Yes, of begin : end returns substring from begin index to n minus 1 index. Okay, like sir minus are and y's are like that. Oi Sheikh Sadiq, here have you observed positive 0 to 15, 0 to 15, but this one is starts from minus 1. That's why, so here minus 16 and here 15 only. In negative numbers, one number is going to come because starts from minus 1. Sadiq, getting right? Negative or until minus 6 means because it starts from minus 1. 0 is already taken for positive. That's why. Clear? Positive index is 0 to 15, but negative index minus 1 to minus 16. Okay? Now, here see this one, sir. What is the syntax for this? This is the most valuable thing what you people should be aware. Just have a look once carefully, right? Sir, if I can take, what is the syntax? What is the syntax for slice operator? Begin, colon, end. What is that syntax, right? Can you please confirm? Yes, of begin, colon, end. End like what it is going to return. What it's going to return? Returns the substring from begin index to returns the substring from begin index to end minus 1 index. Remember this one, sir. Here the beauty is the important point here is end minus 1 index, from begin index to end minus 1 index. That's what you have to aware. Okay, like sir, now yes of okay, 3 to 7 I'm trying to take, sir. Can you please tell what it is going to return, sir? Returns the substring from third index to, can you please confirm, third index to third index to, sir, third index to end minus 1. End minus 1 means what? Sixth index. End minus 1 means sixth index. Remember carefully, right? Sir, I have one small thing. So return from third index to sixth index, right? So do you have paper and pen with you? Yeah, please confirm. Do you have paper and pen is there with you, or just keep on listening? If the paper and pen is there, can you please write this diagram on the paper? Please. Can you please write this diagram on the paper? Because we require to do multiple things. Okay, almost next half an hour, 30 minutes to 45 minutes we require to spend like this. Okay, instead of yes, we can use any other alphabet symbol. Sri Mitra, Sai Mitra, it is just only name of the variable, yes. Any symbol you can use. Okay. Yeah. The people who already having pen and paper, please write this diagram on the paper. Please, because the next 30 to 45 minutes we are going to work only on this one. Clear? Yeah. Okay, completed, right? Yes, perfect. Next, don't ask any doubts. Let me explain the things. Sir, after half an hour, whatever I'm explaining, better to ask the doubts from there only. Don't create some new thing. Sir, can you please tell what will happen? Like, don't ask. After completing 30 minutes or 45 minutes, slice operator completed. Now, do you have any doubt? Let me know. I will ask. Until that, don't post your doubts. Whatever I'm explaining, in that, do you have any doubt? Please let me know. Okay, this is a bit dangerous thing. That's why don't ask any new doubt. Okay, whatever I'm explaining, do you have any doubt in my explanation? Ask. Otherwise, don't, because all your doubts are going to be clarified just in the next 30 minutes to 45 minutes. That's why I have that confidence. Every doubt by default is going to be clarified. Don't ask a new doubt. In my explanation, if you have the doubt, you can ask. In my example. Okay, now, sir, yes of begin colon end returns the substring from begin index to end minus 1 index. Sir, yes of 3 colon 7. Yes of 3 colon 7 returns the substring from third index to sixth index. N minus 1, 7 minus 1 means sixth index like. Okay, now have a look once here. 1 minute. Okay, here just observe that. So let me use py. S is equal to like this I'm trying to take. Okay, S is equal to, here just observe that carefully, right? What is my string here is this is the string what I have. Okay, now here just observe that this is the string what I have. S is equal to okay, like this is my string. Okay, S are 3:7. What is the output we are going to get, sir? So from third index to n minus 1. Third index to n minus 1 means 3 to 6. Can you please confirm? 3 to 6 means which values are 3 index means here, 6th index means here. So 3 to 6 means D, E, F, G we are going to get. Any doubt? Any doubt? Can I get a D, E, F, G or not? Yes, 3 to 6. 3 to 6 we are going to get. So 3 to 6 we are going to get. That's why what is the answer, sir? D, E, F, G. D, E, F, G we are going to get. Let me cross check. S of 3:7 means D, E, F, G. This is the substring we are going to get. Okay, well, sir, now I'm trying to take. Now my requirement is here, just observe that very carefully, sir. S of okay, now sir, some 6 colon okay 10 I'm trying to take. Anyone can you please tell? We require to take from 6th index to, please confirm, we require to take from 6th index to 6th index to 9th index. 9th index, remember 6 to 9. Okay, n minus 1 means 9. 6 to 9 means what is the output we are going to get, sir? 6 is here, 9 is here. So now here just observe that 6 is here, 6 is here, 9 is here. That's why, so 6 to 9 means GHIJ is the answer we are going to get. Okay, remember a bit carefully about this one, sir. So now S of what is the output, sir? 6 to 10. 6 to 10. S of 6:10. Yes, GHIJ is the answer we are going to get. Clear for you people? Up to these two, do you have any doubts? Can you please tell? Up to this, don't create your own doubts. I'm not entertaining any new doubt. Just in my discussion, whatever doubts are there, please let me know. Okay, is it clear, right, up to this? Okay, well, now, so S of begin colon end returns the substring from begin index to n minus 1. Suppose, sir, I'm not specifying begin value. Okay, now I'm trying to take 4, sir. Array, begin is missing. If you are not specifying begin index, the default value beginning of the string, remember this one, sir, the default value beginning of the string, okay, beginning of the string means 0. Default value for begin index is 0. S of 0:4. Okay, 0:4. 0:4 means from 0th index to third index. 0th index to third index. Okay, like, sir, what is the answer by default we are going to get, sir? 0 to 3 means A, B, C, D itself is the answer we are going to get. Sir, let me cross check. S of :4. S of :4. Colon 4 means 0,4. Okay, like, so default value for begin index is always 0, beginning of the string. Correct, right? I respond. Is the default value for the begin index is the 0. We are not required to specify. It's not mandatory, right? Okay, well, sir, now my question is S of 3: end index I didn't specify. end index I didn't specify. Can you please tell what will happen? Don't ask any new doubts. Sai Mitra, just listen whatever I am explaining. Okay, yes of 3 colon 3 colon. What is the answer by default we are going to get, sir? So end we didn't specify. If we didn't specify end, what will happen is it will consider until end of the string. Remember this one, sir, until end, until end. So from third index to index to end of the string, it is going to consider. Okay, like now, so s of 3 colon, that's also from third index means what is the answer we are going to get? D, sir, D to P. D, third index means D, right? D to P we are going to get. Can you please cross check? Yes, D to P we are going to get. Any doubt? So in my explanation, whatever examples I covered, ask in that only. Do you have any doubt? I'm not entertaining any new doubt from your side. Just wait for a few minutes. All your doubts by default will be clarified. Okay. So clear for you people, right? So how many attributes are there for slice operator? How many arguments are there for the slice operator? 2 arguments, begin and end. It is always going to return substring from begin index to end minus 1 index. Clear for you people, right? Okay, well. Now, if we are not specifying begin attribute, what is the default value? If we are not specifying begin attribute, by default it's always going to consider from beginning of the string. If we are not specifying end attribute, then what will happen? By default it's always going to consider until end of the string. Clear, right? Until end of the string. Remember that, until last index. Rajesh, until last index, end of the string. I'm not talking about end index or end of the string, last index. Okay, well. Who is asking this question? Mohammed Sheikh. I will give left and right. Don't ask any new doubts. Okay, just listen whatever I am going to explain, because after a few minutes, automatically all the things are going to be clarified. Clear up to this? Are you feeling any? Are you feeling any difficulty to understand this part? Okay, clear. Don't create your own new doubts. I don't want to listen any doubt from you people. Okay, well, end of the string means not a Z. In our string, sir, end of the string means until P only we are taking. Remember, my string is A to P only. That's why. Okay. So among these, if you have anywhere doubt, can you please let me know so that I will explain. Don't ask your own doubts. Yeah. Yes, correct. Observe that, Piyush. Don't get confused, please. Observe carefully. Yes, he is asking about in our discussion. Yes, of, sir, here like, now it is, you didn't specify begin. If you didn't specify begin attribute, default value is always going to consider what? Default value is always going to consider from beginning of the string. So beginning means 0 like. So from 0th index to third index, n minus 1, 0 to n minus 1 means third. Okay, like 0 to third index. 0 to third index means A, B, C, D we will get, but not A, B, C. Clear? Okay, well. Sir, now listen very carefully about this one, sir. Now I want to introduce one more character in our slice operator. What is that character, right? That character is, that attribute is, up to this we covered how many attributes? Begin and end. This is right. We covered up to this, begin and end. But one more attribute is there. That attribute is called step attribute. What is this one, sir? Can you please read? Step attribute, right? Okay, very simple. Sir, now the first point, you have to move either in the forward direction or in the backward direction. Array, you have to consider like this, left to right, or you require to consider the substring from right to left. Like you can move even in the left direction also. Backward direction also. How this one is going to be possible? Okay, because of this step value. Remember that. Okay, so can you here just observe, step can be, step can be either positive or negative. Okay, remember I will explain all the things, so slowly you are going to get. Observe, step value can be either positive or negative, right? If a step is if a step value is positive, then forward direction. Okay, remember this one. Forward direction means what? Left to right. Forward direction means left to right. If a step value is negative, then backward direction. Then backward direction, right to left. Okay, right to left. Remember this one, sir. Oh, there is a third attribute I introduced, right? Begin, end, and then step. Sir, up to begin and end I got some clarity, but what about these steps, sir? The value of the step is going to decide whether you require to move in the forward direction or backward direction. Any doubt? Any doubt about this one? Suppose I'm trying to take s of some value, sir, some begin colon end colon 2 I'm trying to take, sir. Okay, 2 step value you can take 1 2 3 4, any value, no problem, right? If I can take a 2, am I required to move to the forward direction or backward direction? Please confirm. Am I required to move either to the forward direction or to the backward direction? Please confirm. Remember, it is always forward direction because step value is positive. Remember, right? Okay, forward direction. Okay, it is the forward direction because it is the positive. Suppose if I am trying to take -3, I am taking, sir. Yes, -3. But what these 3, what these 2 indicates, that part I will take care. Concentrate only on the sign. If I can take -3, is it forward or backward direction? Believe me, it is the backward direction. Oh, you have to move either to the forward direction or back to backward direction. Who is going to decide, sir? This step value by default is going to decide. Now immediately some student is going to ask, if I can take 0 step value. Okay, 0 means 0 step value, immediately Python virtual machine will give left and right. Okay, 0 is not allowed for the step. Okay, if it is the 0, you can't move either backward or forward, then where is the question of slice? That's why 0 means invalid. Remember carefully, right? Suppose I'm trying to take yes, 2 colon 9 colon 2 I'm trying to take. Don't worry about answer, forget about answer. So just valid or not, only check, forget about what is the output we are getting. Yes, of 9 colon 2 colon -1 I'm trying to take. Is it valid or not? Please confirm, is it valid or not? Yes, some output we are going to get, don't worry, right? Yes, of 2 colon 5 colon 0 I'm trying to take, sir. What will happen in this case? What will happen? Forget about outputs. What will happen in this case? Yes, the output A, immediately error we are going to get, value error, slice step cannot be 0. Okay, like we are going to get, sir, slice step cannot be 0, value error we are going to get. So third character I introduced. About this third character, I covered one point related to direction of movement, either to the forward or to the backward direction. So if it is the positive, forward direction; if it is the negative, backward direction. Any doubt? Please confirm. Up to this, the cinema is the clear, right? Don't ask any new doubts. In my explanation, if you have the doubt, ask that. In my explanation, if you have the doubt, ask that. Don't create any new doubts. Okay. Yeah. Sarvesh will discuss. Definitely that point is going to be covered. Don't worry. Just wait for a few minutes. Yeah, clear right up to this? Any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable? Okay. So I have to move either to the forward or backward direction. Which value is going to decide that? Decide our movement either to the forward or backward? Step value. If it is the positive, forward direction. If it is the negative, backward direction. 0 step value you can't take. Perfect. Okay. Well. Now the cinema. Now listen very carefully, right? Sneha, don't ask any new doubt. Please listen. Now the next thing here is observe carefully, right? What is my question is, what is my question? So step value is optional. Step value is optional, correct time? Okay, even because at the beginning I didn't take anything, sir. So only two attributes, begin and end, that's all I took. Now my question is, if I didn't specify begin, what will happen? If I didn't specify begin, what will happen? By default it's going to take 0. If I didn't specify end, what will happen? Respond, what will happen? Then automatically it is going to consider end of the string. Suppose s of colon I am taking, sir. Hurry, I didn't specify begin, I didn't specify end. Can you please tell what will happen? So begin means you didn't specify 0 from beginning of the string. End means you didn't specify until end. So can I use the word complete string? By default we are going to get, correct right? Complete string by default we are going to get. Who asked this question? Okay, like s of colon, that's it. A to p, complete string by default we are getting, entire string we are going to get. Clear? Okay. Now sir, step value also we had a discussion. Now listen very carefully. Now the most valuable points I have to cover. S of begin colon end colon step. So when I have to consider backward direction, respond, I forgot. When I require to consider backward direction, if the step value is negative. If the step value is the positive, then I have to consider forward direction. Okay, step value is the positive, then I have to consider forward direction. Now observe that if a step is if the step value is positive, then it should be which direction? Please, it is not a new point for you. It should be forward direction, and we have to consider the substring. From begin index to end -1 index. Okay, remember. So if the step is a positive, then it should be forward direction, and we have to consider the substring from begin index to end -1 index. Okay, begin to end -1 in forward direction. Okay, like next, if step value is negative, if the step value is a negative, then it should be forward or backward? Respond, I don't know. It is the negative value, sir. It should be backward direction, and we have to consider the substring. We have to consider substring from begin index to end +1 index. Observe carefully. In the forward direction, we require to consider begin index to end -1. But in the backward direction, we have to consider from begin index to end +1 index. Yeah. Slowly, conclusions are injecting in your mind. In the forward direction, we require to consider from begin to end -1. In the backward direction, we require to consider from begin to end +1. Okay, well. Now, anyone, can you please guess what is the default value for step? If I didn't use a step, my output consider from left to right or right to left? Forward direction or backward direction? Always, in the last examples, my output is always, I told, forward direction only. That's why default value for the step is +1. Remember this one. +1 is the default value for the step. If you are not specifying, by default, slice operator is always going to move only in the forward direction. Remember carefully, right? +1. Clear? Are you feeling comfortable, right? Okay. Now the next thing, what we require to take care. Sir, here there is a small point is there. Everything is the same. If I covered only 2 points, then the cinema is going to be completed. Sir, step can be positive or negative. So it is going to decide. The begin Can I take negative index? Can I take negative index? For the end, can I take negative index? Yeah, remember, for the begin and the end, we can take either positive or negative index. No problem, right? Begin index, end index. So, for begin and the end, for begin and end, we can take either positive, either positive or negative values. Either positive or negative values. Remember, right? Okay, we can take either positive or negative. There is no problem at all. Okay, well, next, last point. If I cover this one, then the slice operator story is going to be khatam, completed. Now we should be in the position to answer any type of query. Don't worry at all. Any type of query we can ask this one, sir. Okay, like what I'm trying to take is, now listen very carefully. Now just last point, sir. If in the forward direction, in the forward direction, if end value is 0, so in the forward direction end value is 0 means you are at beginning, right? Array, end value is the 0, end itself is the 0, you can't move further. That's why in forward direction, if end value is 0, then the output is always empty. Remember this one, sir. In forward direction, end value is 0, then the output is always empty. Okay. In the backward direction, if end value is -1, then the output is always empty. Just remember these 2 extra points also. Okay, the cinema is got completed, right? Almost all the points are covered. In forward direction, if end value is the 0, then the output is always empty. In backward direction, if the end value is the -1, then the output is always empty. Then the result is always empty. That's it. Yeah. Thoda points entered in your mind. Yeah. We will cover multiple examples. Theory wise, you have to be very strong. Clear, right? Let me repeat again. So total how many attributes are there? Begin, end, and then step. So we can take for begin, end, step for all the things positive and negative values. Either positive value, negative value, any value you can take, but make sure for the step 0 you can't take. Okay, like if a step is positive, then we have to move forward direction from begin to can you please tell? From begin to positive, from begin to end -1. If step value is the negative, then we have to move backward direction from begin to end +1. Begin to end +1. Okay, like next, sir, here it is very simple. In the forward direction, if end is 0, in the forward direction, if end value is 0, then the output is always empty. In the backward direction, if end value is -1, then the output is always empty. Clear, right? This is complete behavior of slice operator. If we can go for a small example. Okay, like what will decide step value with the example I will cover. Then only you will get much clarity. Just a direction only I told. If I can take +2, +3, +1, what is the difference between the value? That part with the example I will cover. Okay, very simple. Next, one more small point I have to tell, sir. Okay, listen at the beginning only. Yes, sir. 3:10,000 I am taking. What is the answer we are going to get? Yes of 3:10,000. What is the output you are going to get now? Respond. 3:10,000. So is it forward direction or backward direction? Respond. Forward or backward? It is forward direction because step value is 1. Even you didn't specify, default value is the 1 only. That's why forward. Begin to n minus 1. If this n index is not available, then some people are going to feel index error. But believe me, slice operator never going to rise in index error. never going to raise index error. Remember, right? Slice operator never going to raise index error. Okay, like so if out of range index is there, array 3 to until available characters. 3 means here 3 to until available characters only we are going to get. So D to P we will get, if I can take like this. Now 1 minute, yes, of 3 colon 10,000 or 1 lakh, like anything you can take. But the answer D to P, we never going to get index error. Slice operator never going to raise index error. Slice operator won't rise index error. Okay, perfect, clear. Just within few minutes I will ask all your doubts. There are several doubts are rounding in your mind. I will ask, just wait for 2 or 3 minutes, because we are at the end of the theory. Clear right up to this? Because from my side whatever I want to tell, first let me cover so that it will become clear. Now there is one more thing I have to tell. S of 3 colon 9 I am taking, colon 1. Can you please guide, is it forward direction or backward direction? Yeah, respond. Is it forward or backward? Forward direction. Okay, from begin to third to n minus 1 means 8th index. Correct, right? 8th index. 3 to 8, what there? 3 to 8, what is there? D to I. Correct, right? D E F G H I. D E F G H I is there. This is my output. Let me cross check. Am I going to get this one or not? 1 minute, because this is not my intention of telling. There is a difference. D E F G H I. Perfect. Sir, now here listen. What is the step value we are taking? So 1, of course positive. 1 I am taking, right? So 1 means you have to consider every character. 1 means every character, right? But the same thing I am trying to take. Yes, 3 colon 9 colon 2 means array. Here observe that. Is it forward or backward direction? Respond. Is it forward or backward direction? Forward direction. From third index to n minus 1. N minus 1 means 8th index. Third to 8th, same. But what is the significance of these two? We have to consider every second character. Okay, every second character we require to consider. Listen carefully, right? We should not consider every character. Every second character we require to consider. Array, this is every character, right? In that, so first you are taking D. Every second character from 3 to 8. Every second means D already consider. E we should not consider. F we have to consider. Next, G we should not consider. H we have to consider. I we should not consider. Every second character means D, F, H. Remember carefully, right? D, F, H. Every second character from 3 to 8. Now observe 3 to 8. 3 to 8. Every second character means yes, this one I covered. Under then this one I have to cover. Under then this one I have to cover. That's all. D, F, H only. Every second character. D, F, H only. Remember. Yes, where is the proof for that? Now observe carefully. What is the answer we are going to get is D, F, H only. Any doubt? Respond. What is the difference between 1 and 2? Are you seeing the difference, right? Okay, well. Now, I'm asking about same thing. Same thing. Okay. 3 colon 9 colon 3. Wow. Now observe that. Array, you have to consider, so forward direction from third index to 8th index. But every which character I have to consider? Which character I require to consider? Every third character I have to consider. every third character. Now observe this one, D, okay, well, and then E, F we should not, again G we have to consider, H and I we should not, so D, G is the answer we are going to get. Every third character means D, G is the answer we will get. Let me cross check, am I going to get same thing or not? What? Slowly your doubts are clarifying. Have you observed, right? D, G is the answer we are going to get. Okay, now clear? Same in reverse also. Reverse also, array in backward direction. If it is the -2, if it is the -2, suppose if 3 colon, sir, some 10 colon. Now observe very carefully, 10 colon 2 colon 10 colon 2 colon -1 I am taking, sir. 10 colon 2 colon -1. Is it forward direction or backward direction? Respond. Is it forward direction or backward direction? Please respond. Backward direction. Okay, backward direction. Now am I required to consider from begin to end plus 1 index, end plus 1. Begin to end plus 1 means 10 to 3 backward direction. Began to end plus 1, 10 to 3 in backward direction, 10 to 3 in backward direction. 10 is here, 10 is here, just observe that 10 is here and 3 is here. 10 to 3 in backward direction means do you know, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D we require to take. Okay, now observe that what is the answer by default we are going to get is K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D. Is it our expected answer or not? Please confirm. Please confirm. Is it begin to 10 to 3? 10 to 3. 10 to 3 means K to D. Yes, K to D. Perfect, sir. K to D. Yes, this is the answer we are getting. So in the backward direction, right? Okay, this is. Suppose I am trying to get S of 10 colon 10 colon, okay, 10 colon 2 colon -1. Instead of -1, -2, sir. -2 I am taking. Yeah, simple. So in backward direction from begin to end plus 1, please consider every second character. Array, all characters are like this. All characters are like this. Okay. Now every second character means, can you please tell? K, and then I, and then G, and then E. Okay, like K, I, G, E is the answer we are going to get. K, I, G, A. Let me cross check. Is it really, am I going to get same thing or not? Yes, of 10 colon 2 -2, K, I, G, A. Thank God. A big congratulations. All the points related to slice operator got completed. Let me review just for a minute. Total how many arguments are there? 3 arguments are there. Begin, end, step. Step is going to decide either positive or negative. If the step is the positive forward direction, negative backward direction. In forward direction, begin to end plus end -1. Forward direction, begin to end -1. Backward direction, begin to end plus 1. Okay, like next, what is the 0 step value not allowed, otherwise error we are going to get. Next, so if the step is 1, if the step is 2, if the step is 3, what is the difference between that? Next, one more, this is also very important. In forward direction, if end value is the 0, sir. In forward direction, if end value is the 0. Yes, of 3 colon 0 colon 2 I am trying to take, sir. What will happen? What will happen? Can you please tell? 3 colon 0 colon 2. Is the end attribute is the 0 or not? Is the end attribute is the 0 or not? Yes. End attribute is the 0 in forward direction. The output is always empty. The output is always empty. End value is the 0. The output is always empty. Empty, like I told. Empty, I told. In forward direction, in forward direction, end value, yes, empty output we are getting, sir. Similarly, suppose S of, sir, 10 colon -1 colon okay, minus 1 I'm trying to take. So end value is the minus 1. End value is the minus 1, sir. If in the backward direction, if end value is the minus 1, then the output is always empty. Then the output is always empty, like what the answer empty we are going to get. Yeah, that's all, friends. Now my hands are completely hands up. Now you can ask any doubt. Okay, by default I'm going to explain for this. Don't worry, sir. Now you can frame, sir, definitely this output not following your rules and regulations, like you can ask anything you can ask, don't worry, I won't mind anything. Now full choice is there for you. Someone is asking about this. Okay, you can ask anything, I won't mind anything. Now this is your time. Okay, my time already completed, this is your time, you can ask anything. I will explain one by one, don't worry, sir. Yeah, only 3 doubts. Ayyo, only 3 doubts. Correct, every second character will be considered, Mangesh, every second character will be considered from, okay, always calculate right to left in backward direction. Yes, if step value is the minus 2. If we take a begin and end values are positive and step value can be negative. Yes, Brahmarede, you can take. Give an example so that we will check is it possible or not. Okay, someone is asking about colon minus 1. Perfect. Yeah, exactly. Someone is asking about only these things. Okay, now here see this. Any other last backward direction, can you please explain again? Yeah, Trupti, don't worry, because here multiple backward direction things are there. Okay, multiple things are there. Again, some things are going to come into the picture. Don't worry, up to this we completed already. Yeah. Any other? Any other doubt? Someone is asking about this one. Yeah, excellent. Next up, yes, 5 colon 3 colon 1. Okay, do one thing. I will ask. I will explain these things, and then we will go for next set of doubts. Okay, next set of doubts. Okay, this is next set of doubts. First, let me explain up to these things. Okay, so that so your doubt may be clarified, you may not ask that. If you have the doubt in any combination, then only you can ask. That's my requirement. Okay, if you have any doubt in your expectation, then only you can ask. Okay, like yeah, perfect, all possibilities are there. Now listen very carefully, sir. These rules are perfectly applicable for any case, don't worry at all. Okay, now my question is, let me go for this one. Okay, one by one I will talk. So the first thing, is it forward direction or backward direction? Listen carefully. Is it forward or backward direction? Minus 2. Minus 2 means backward direction. Backward direction from begin to end plus 1. Begin to end plus 1. From third to end plus 1 means 11. From third to end plus 1 means 11. Next, in the every second character we have to consider. Now observe very carefully. Backward direction from third index to 11 index. Where is the third index? Right. Third index is here, sir. Here. From third index, if I move to the backward direction, am I going to get 11 index anywhere? Please confirm. Am I going to get 11 index anywhere? No, never. Because in forward direction you will get 11. But in backward direction, you never going to get 11. That's why no such type of slice. What is the output we are going to get? Just empty. Boss, there is no such type of slice. That's why empty string we are going to get. Hey, who asked this question? Can you please observe this? Because you can't define that slice. Okay. Now, what is the output by default we are going to get is empty string. Yeah. Perfect. Who asked this doubt? Clear, right? Yeah. Okay. Next. Yeah, Pavan, it is possible. Yeah. Now the next doubt. Listen carefully, sir. Now the next doubt. S of minus 3 colon 7 colon 2, sir. minus 3 colon 7 colon 2. Is it forward direction or backward direction? Please confirm. Is it forward direction or backward direction? I respond forward direction. Forward direction. Okay, well, forward direction begin to end minus 1. Begin means minus 3 to end minus 1. 7 minus 1 means 6. Minus 3 to 6. Minus 3 to 6 forward direction. Where is the minus 3 in our diagram? Where is the minus 3 in our diagram? Yes, minus 3. So from minus 3, if I move forward direction, is it possible to get a 6 anywhere? Respond. Am I going to get 6 anywhere in the forward direction? Never, never. We never going to get. But 6 is actually available somewhere here, somewhere here. So from minus 3, if I move to the forward direction, you never going to get a 6. That's why what is the answer we are going to get for this requirement? A, empty string only. Okay, now observe that empty string only. Perfect. Okay, well, next s of colon minus 2. S of colon minus 2, minus 2. So is it forward direction or backward direction? Anyone, can you please confirm? Is it forward direction or backward direction? Forward, forward, forward. Because you didn't specify step value. If you didn't specify step value, then default value for one forward direction. So here begin you didn't specify. So 0 to begin to end minus 1. Begin to end minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 means minus 3 in forward direction we require to consider. Okay, 0 to minus 3 in forward direction, every character, because default value for step is 1, that's why every character. 0 to minus 3. 0 to minus 3 means 0 is available here, minus 3 is available here. Okay, so A to N, every character you are going to get. A to N, every character you will get. Let me cross check. Yeah, please confirm. S of colon minus 2. Sir, can you please observe? A to N, every character by default we are going to get. Any doubt? Respond. Any doubt about this one? Okay, perfect. Now this one, observe that. Now this one. Sir, is it forward direction or backward direction? Is it forward or backward direction? Backward direction. Minus 1 backward direction, right? Hurry, in the backward direction, if you didn't specify anything, okay, from here to last total string we are going to consider. Okay, total string we are going to consider, sir. From last to first, total string we will get. Reverse. Very important question. How to reverse the given string by using slice operator? Just very simple, sir. Colon minus 1. Okay, if I can take s of colon plus 1, what will happen? Respond. Colon s1, complete string. But s of colon minus 1, complete string in reverse order we are going to get. Remember, there is one very important question for the interview room. How to get reverse of the given string? Reverse of the given string by using slice operator. S of colon minus 1, automatically reverse by default we will get. Okay, let me cross check this one. S of colon minus 1. Okay, what will happen? Colon minus 1. P to A, reverse by default we are getting. Any doubt? Next, S of colon 1, complete string you are going to get. A to P, original string, but this one is the reverse string we are going to get. Okay, well, perfect. Now, can you please confirm what about this one? Yeah. What about this? Is it forward direction or backward direction? Respond. Is it forward direction or backward direction? It is forward direction from begin to end minus 1. Minus 1 to end minus 1 means minus 11. Minus 11. Minus 1 to minus 11 forward direction. Okay. Minus 1 is available here. Minus 1 to minus 11 is available here. Sir, minus 1, if I move forward direction, am I going to get minus 11? Never. You never going to get. That's why what is the output we are going to get for this? Empty string we will get. Now, where is the proof for that? Perfect empty string. Okay, well. Sir, one doubt. S is equal to S of 3, S of 5. Sir, here just very simple. S of 3. S of. Sir, what will happen in this case? Can you please confirm? Forward direction. Forward direction. Begin to end minus 1. Beginning of the string 0 to 2. 0 to 2. 0 to 2 means A, B, C. A, B, C. 0 to 2 in forward direction. A, B, C. So, its value A, B, C. Plus S R 5 colon. 5 colon. 5 colon means, can you please confirm? 5. Okay, 5. End we didn't specify. That's why until end of the string. 5 means which characters are F. F2P. F2P. So, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. That's all. A, B, C plus means remove this plus because concatenation is going to be happen. This is the output we are going to get. A, B, C, F, G, H, I like am I going to get the same output or not? A, B, C, next F, 2, P for effect. Okay. Now, can you please confirm this one also completed? Yeah. Do you want me to explain about this one? 531. 531. By just simply seeing this one, what is the answer we are going to get? 531. What is the answer we will get? Empty string. What is the answer we will get? Empty string. Because in forward direction, so from 5, from 5th index, if you are going to move, you never going to get n minus 1, 2. That's why empty string. Next, what about this one? In backward direction, if end attribute value minus 1, then also you will get empty string. I told already, in backward direction, if end value is the minus 1, you will get a empty string. Remember this one, sir. Sir, do you want me to show these two things? Respond. Do you want me to show these two things? Okay. S of 5, 3, 1. S of 5, 3, 1. Sorry, S is the small. Okay, because he in the copy he used uppercase letter. Yeah, empty string. Perfect. Now S of 10 minus 1 minus 1. 10 minus 1 minus 1. What is the answer? Empty string. Perfect. Okay. Next. Yeah. This is about. Sir, now what is the answer by default we are going to get? Again empty string. Again empty string. The reason for that is from second index to ninth index in backward direction I have to move. Second index to ninth index in back 10 minus plus 1 11th index. Second to 11th index. Okay, if I can take in from second, if I move backward direction, is it possible to get 11th index? If I move, okay, backward direction, no. That's why empty string we are going to get. Ayyo. Most of your requirements are empty strings only. Empty string we are going to get. Now, what about this one, sir? What is the output? You have to tell. Oh, you have to tell. Okay. From 3 to 9. Okay, legend. It is the forward direction. It is the forward. Hey, legend. It is the forward direction from third index to eighth index. 8th index, correct. 3 to 8, n minus 1, 3 to 8, you have to consider every 100th character. 3 to 8, 3 to 8, 3 means here, 8 means here. Every 100 character, D we consider. Next character should be next 100th character. Sorry, by that time all these characters already completed. So what is the output by default we are going to get? Only D. Only D we will get. Yes, only D. Perfect. Okay. Any doubt? Still, do you have any other doubts? Please let me know. All your doubts will be clarified, I'm sure. Yeah. Okay, excellent. Someone is asking about this combination. Don't generate fancy numbers. If you have really doubt, then only ask. Then only ask. Sir, here -1. Is it forward direction or backward direction? Is it forward direction or backward direction? Backward direction. Backward direction. Yes. Here, just observe that. What will happen in this case? Yes, here just observe that. Okay, what will happen? What will happen in this case? So begin. So end. You didn't specify end. If you didn't specify end in backward direction, until end it is going to be considered. Until end it is going to be considered because you didn't specify end. That's why until end it is going to be considered. Okay, like that's why we are going to get. Okay, this is the output. The person who asked this one, is it okay, right? Please confirm. -1 index to until end. Until end we are going to get in backward direction. Yeah. Any other? Any other? Wow. Excellent. Now observe. Don't generate any fancy combinations. What will happen in this case? Okay. Here colon you are not required to use because you are not talking next. Colon we are not required to use. Simple, sir. So now observe. Here what is it, forward or backward direction? Respond. Forward or backward? Forward direction. Forward direction because step value is 1 forward. So from begin 0th to n -1 -3. So in forward direction from 0 to -3. Oh, from 0 to -3. 0 to -3 means here. 0 means here. In forward direction, A to n you are going to get. From 0, forward direction, from 0 to -3. Okay, 0 to -3. In forward direction, okay, like A to n or something like. Yeah, A to n we are getting. Okay, any other things? Ajit, that concept we are going to discuss in the strings concept separately. Just concentrate only on the slice. Okay, any other doubts? I told I ask, don't ask any doubt at the beginning. Now I hope you can ask any doubt. Someone is asking about fancy. Don't create fancy combinations. Someone is asking about, really if you have the doubt, please let me know. Really if you have the doubt, please let me know. -3, -3, -3, -3, -3, -3. What is the answer we are going to get here is, observe that, -3, -3, -3. Yes, of -3 colon -3 colon -3. Wow. Empty. What may be the reason? What may be the reason like you can you please tell, is it forward direction or backward direction? Are they forward or backward? It's the backward direction. In the backward direction, -3 to n plus 1. N plus 1 means, what is the n plus 1 value? Begin means -3. N plus 1 means, -3 plus 1 means -2. Correct, right? -3 to -2. -3 to -2. -3. From -3 to -3 to, if I move backward direction, is there any chance to get -2 index? No chance at all. That's why empty string we are going to get. That's it. Any other? Okay, now, okay, 1 minute. Here, see this one. S of minus 5 colon 10. S of minus 5 colon 10. Can you please confirm what is the answer we are going to get? Forward or backward direction? Forward or backward direction? Please confirm. Is it forward or backward? Forward. Because step value we didn't specify. Kumar Sai, step value we didn't specify. If the step value is not there, it is the forward direction. Okay, like now from begin to n minus 1. Okay, begin to n minus 1. Minus 5 to n minus 1 means 9. Minus 5 to 9 in forward direction. Minus 5 to 9 in forward direction. Minus 5 to 9 in forward direction. Sorry, no such type of possibility. Okay, what is the answer we will get? Okay, empty. Clear? Are you getting the point? Okay, you can ask any question so that I will show. Okay, with pleasant mind, better to, so just all the rules whatever I covered. Okay, all these rules better to just better to understand and better to apply, create multiple combinations, and you can ask the questions. Okay, or otherwise you can practice. Automatically your doubt by default is going to be clarified. Okay, here see this one. Someone is asking about S of last combination, S of minus 2 colon minus 1. Array, here is it forward or backward? Please confirm. Is it forward or backward? Backward direction. Backward direction. Okay, you didn't specify begin attribute. You didn't specify begin. In backward direction, the default value for the begin is minus 1. Minus 1. Remember this one. Minus 1. That's why minus 1. Okay, from minus 1 to end plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1. Oh, minus 1 to minus 1. Minus 1 to minus 1. Okay, can you please tell a character like array? Minus 1 to minus 1 means only one character by default we are going to get P. That's it. Okay, S of like. Clear, right? Yeah, this is the beautiful conclusions about slice operator, right? Most of the people are having okay, do you know something like slice operator complete behavior? Can you please explain? The people are going to get shivering, like shivering kind of thing, but what there inside? Okay, now someone is asking about this one, sir. 1 minute, let me copy. Complete doubt, I don't know who is asking this one. Okay, here just observe that. Here just have a look once, sir. 3 colon 1000 colon 2 route end value output getting here also empty string. Here have you observed, right? 3 colon 1000 colon 2, you never going to get output as empty string. Remember this one. What is the reason? What is the reason for that? 3 to 1000, 3 to, is it forward direction or backward direction? Forward or backward? Sri Krishna, is it forward or backward? It is the forward. It is the forward. Sri Krishna, can you please respond? Okay, forward direction. From third to, okay, third to 1000 minus 1 means 999. Every second character I have to consider. From third to, sorry, here from, sorry, here just observe. From third to, okay, third to available, okay, D to P, every second character means D, F, H, okay, J, next L, N, P. Okay, these values D, F, H, J, L, N, P, like we are going to get. Let me cross check. You never going to get empty string. It is the forward direction. D, F, H, J, L, N, P. Correct? Sri Krishna? Getting the point? What is the answer we are going to get? Next, sir, what is the next one? Here 3 colon 10 minus 2 sir. Can you please confirm, is it forward direction or backward direction? Is it forward direction or backward direction? Backward direction. From third to n plus 1, 11 in backward direction. Array, from third index, if I move to the backward direction, can I get 11? From third index, if I move to the backward direction, yeah, is it possible to get 11? Never. Is it possible to get 11? Never. That's why what is the output we are going to get is empty string only. Okay, because in backward direction there is no such type of slice. What will happen in this case is empty string. Yeah, empty. Clear, right? Yeah. Sir, Mohammad Sheikh is asking something like last, okay, almost 20 combinations minimum we covered. Yes, of 1 colon minus 5 colon minus 2. Please confirm what is the answer. Already on the paper you wrote, you have to respond. Yeah. Mohammad Sheikh, can you please tell what is your expected answer? Mohammad, what is your expected answer? Okay, very simple. Backward direction from begin to n plus 1, 1 to n plus 1 means minus 4. Array, if I move from 1 in backward direction, can I get okay, minus 4 or not? From one index, if I move backward direction, can I get minus 4 or not? Never. That's why empty string we are going to get for this. Empty string. Okay, like sir, now some people are asking about index versus step. Okay, index means these are the things. Any doubt about index? Index means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or minus 1, minus 2. These kind of things are index. Index means okay, to locate characters we are going to use index. Yes, Abhishek, any doubt about index? Array index 0, index 1, index 2 means what is that? You know, right? Step value means you will get some slice in the. Am I required to consider every character? Or only sir, every character or only every second character, every third character, every fourth character, something like. Now it is going to consider step. Step is going to provide two things. You require to move either to the forward or backward direction while finding slice. Next, how many characters you require to consider? Which character you require to consider? Sir, at the beginning I told at the beginning. So here just observe that. 1 means forward direction. Okay, every character you have to consider. 2 means forward direction. Every second character we have to consider. Okay, every third character you require to consider, like 3. Yeah, Abhishek, getting? Okay, now here just observe that. Yeah, someone is asking. This one already we covered, right? Yeah, here someone is asking about this. Sir, can you please guide? Is it forward or backward direction? Last. Is it forward or backward direction? Forward direction. Is it forward or not? Forward direction. Okay, observe carefully, right? It is the forward direction from begin to end minus 1. So end minus 1. Begin to n minus 1 means 1 to minus 5 minus 1 means minus 6. 1 to minus 6. 1 to minus 6 forward direction. 1 to minus 6 forward direction. Yes, can you please observe? 1 to minus 6. Okay, in forward direction. Every second character we have to consider. B, D, F, H, J. Okay, B, D, F, H, J. This is. Now observe that. B D F H J. Clear? Okay. So this is the complete story about the slice operator. Okay, if any person is asking, do you know slice operator? Happily you can tell I'm the king in that area. You can ask anything, I can answer. That confidence must be required. The people who are not having that confidence, better to listen this video again. Automatically you people are going to get that confidence. Yeah. Yeah. Nikhil, from the string, is it possible to get index? Next up, from the index, is it possible to get character? Yes, all these things are possible. In the string, separate topic I will discuss there. The corresponding things I will discuss. Okay. Someone is asking about, can I replace or not? Yes, we can do replacement operation. Okay, we can find n number of interview questions related to the strings. There I will explain that. Clear? Are you feeling comfortable? Okay. Yeah, this type of doubts very common for most of the people. Okay, as I'm new to the programming, how to improve logical thinking to write programs, any suggestions from your end, how to start practice to become successful programmer? Nothing. So better to practice small programs and then increase complexity level. Okay, so there is some puzzles patterns, like n number of things we are going to discuss. So definitely these things are going to improve your confidence level. Next, if possible, better to learn, okay, data structures concept. If you are going to learn data structures, any type of requirement, you can write the code very easily. Okay, the heart of programming, data structures, you require to aware. Clear, right? Yeah, that's it. That's all. So these are various things what you people should aware clearly, right? Any doubt up to this? Can you please confirm? Yeah, that's it, Nikhil. So patterns, anyway, I will show the way to practice. I will give multiple examples, don't worry. Yeah. uh, can you please drop a mail the people who didn't get the access? Sorry. The people who didn't get the access, can you please communicate with these people, just so that they will provide access immediately. You can call, so that our team is ready to help. Okay. Yeah, yeah. One Bihari, maybe today you did. Okay, just we will take care by end of the day, don't worry. Okay, the people who are in live also, just you can communicate with these people. Okay, that's all. So the next class will be on Monday. Okay, enjoy tomorrow. Monday we will meet for the continuation part. Okay, right, sir. Thanks for everyone. Monday we will meet.